Hello everyone, hope all of you are keeping super well. Let's begin with the new question. The question says, find the accumulated or future value of annuity of rupees 800 made annually for 3 years at interest rate of 8% compounded annually. We are also given with 1.08 cube as 1.2597. Quite an easy question. Let's begin with the solution. And first of all, let's note down the information, use the formula, plug in the values and get the answer. That's it. जो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है पहले उसको लिख लीजिए और उन इन्फॉर्मेशन को, उन वैल्यूज को सिंपली फॉर्मूले में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए एंड अल्टीमेटली यू विल गेट द आंसर. So first of all, we are given with the amount of annuity, that is value of C is given as rupees 800. And number of years are given as 3. So n is given as 3 and rate of interest R is given as 8%. Always remember, whenever a question on annuity comes, you have to convert this R in terms of I. And how do we convert R in terms of I? It's very easy. I is nothing but R upon 100. So it will be 8 upon 100 in this case. And 8 upon 100 is 0.08. Done. So always remember, whenever you are given with rate of interest R, you have to convert that R in terms of I. And what we are supposed to find? We have to find the accumulated or future value, that is capital A is to be calculated. Now do you remember what is the formula for accumulated value or future value? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is given by C upon I, 1 plus I the whole raised to n minus 1. That's it. Now you know everything. Just substitute and get the answer. What is C? 800. What is I? 0.08. And what is n? 3. So substituting every value in the next step, we get 800 divided by 0.08 into 1 plus 0.08 the whole raised to 3 minus 1. नाउ इन दिस फ्रैक्शन, सपोज अगर ये डेसिमल को मैं 2 डिजिट राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करता हूं यहाँ पे, तो ये डिनोमिनेटर तो 8 बन जाएगा, राइट. बट इसको बैलेंस करने के लिए हमें न्यूमरेटर में जो है 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, राइट. क्योंकि हमने 2 डिजिट राइट साइड में शिफ्ट किया है डेसिमल को, तो न्यूमरेटर मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. तो ये जो 800 है, इसको अगर हम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो इट विल बिकम 80,000 और ये 0.08 बन जाएगा 8. तो दिस विल बी 80,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 into 1.08 raised to 3 minus 1. Now 80,000 upon 8 is 10,000 and 1.08 का cube is already given in the question as 1.2597. So in the next step it will be 10,000 multiplied by 1.2597 minus 1. Now in the next step, this 10,000 will remain as it is and 1.2597 minus 1 is 0.2597. So it will be 10,000 multiplied by 0.2597. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, ये हमारे पास 4 जीरोस हैं, राइट. तो ये 4 जीरो को यूज करके हम इस डेसिमल वैल्यू को 4 डिजिट राइट साइड में शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. तो ये 4 डिजिट राइट साइड में शिफ्ट होने के बाद इट विल बिकम 2597, करेक्ट. और यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ 1. तो इवेंचुअली इट इज 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2597 विच इज रुपीज 2597. So the total future or accumulated value in this case is rupees 2597. Hope you have understood this. See you in the next video.